everybody. Your teachers for today are Mohita and Studi, and we are here to help you with conversions. You can convert either metric units or customary units. If not units, then there's also temperatures that you can convert. That's what we're going to show you today. Enjoy.
This is a conversion table for dimensional analysis. Conversions are very important. They help us convert our units. As you may know, in the U.S., we use the customary system, which consists of pounds, ounces, gallons, yards, and feet, etc. Whereas other countries use the metric system, which consists of meters, kilometers, grams, etc.
Say you had a map in Europe, and since Europe uses the metric system, we would have to use conversions to figure out the distance from each town, which means we would change it from meters to miles to make it easier for us to travel.
For this problem, we're going to be converting tons into pounds. Rose wants to find out how many pounds her 2-ton truck is. How can she do that without using a scale? Well, we know that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds, so we put into proportions. 1 over 2,000 is equal to 2 over x. We cross-multiply to get x equals 4,000 pounds. Her truck is 4,000 pounds. This problem deals with converting milligrams into grams. David wants to buy some salt for all the ice out on his stairs. He wants 250,000 milligrams of salt. How many grams is that? Well, we know that 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. So how many grams are equal to 250,000 milligrams? We cross-multiply to get 250,000 is equal to 1,000x. We divide 1,000 from both sides to get our answer of 250 grams is equal to x.
Going on to our next problem, along with units, we can also convert our temperatures from Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit. Using the formula, what is 68 degrees Fahrenheit in degrees Celsius? Well, the formula is F minus 32 is times 5 nines. We first would substitute 68 for F, getting the quantity of 68 times 32 times 5 nines. 68 minus 32 is 36 times 5 nines is equal to 20. So X is equal to 20, getting us 68 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Here is another problem. A rectangular parking lot measures 53 feet 7 inches long and 38 feet 11 inches wide. What is the perimeter of the parking lot? Well, we know that the formula for perimeter is 2L plus 2W. So with this, we get 2 times the quantity of 53 feet and 7 inches plus 2 times the quantity of 38 feet and 11 inches. So we solve this by getting 106 feet plus 14 inches plus 76 feet plus 22 inches. We first want to join 106 feet and 76 feet. Along with that, we also want to join 14 inches and 22 inches. As you can see that we're doing this right now. So we get 182 plus 36. Well, we can convert 36 to 3 feet. So we get 185 feet in total. Now let's see if you guys can solve these two problems all by yourself. The first one is, what is 35 degrees Celsius in degrees Fahrenheit? And the next one is, convert 10 quarts to gallons. All the best, and good luck.
Here's how to solve number 1. Fahrenheit equals 905 times Celsius plus 32, which then is 905 times 35 plus 32, which is then 63 plus 32, when our final answer is 95 degrees Fahrenheit.
For the next problem, we would have to put in proportions. If 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts, then how many gallons are equal to 10 quarts? We cross-multiply, getting 4x is equal to 10. We then divide both sides by 4 to get x is equal to 2.5 gallons. Okay, here's like a side note for you guys. To find close or precise measurements, you should choose the right units and tools for the job. So for example, if you want to find the distance of something, you might want to use the tool of a yardstick, and its units might be feet and inches. If you want to find the weight of something, you might want to use a kitchen scale, which is in the units of pounds and ounces. But remember to use large units to measure large amounts and small units to measure small amounts. Small units give the most precise measure, but this is not always practical or necessary.
You can also combine units to measure different quantities as rates. Remember, the second measure in a rate is usually a single unit. For example, speed is miles per hour, fuel used, miles per gallon, air pressure, pounds per square inch, population density, persons per square mile. Proportions can help you solve rate problems.
That's all for today, folks. Here's the end. Now we're at the end of our lesson, which is conversions. And we hope that this lesson will help you in your math class and in the real world. That's all we wish for. And your teachers were Mohita and Studi. Thank you very much for watching.